Hello, I'm Natasha, and I will show you an example of a participant management system, which comes from the GRIP study. For more information on what a participant management system is and why and how to use it, please see the clip called Participant Management Systems. So this is the document with personal data from participants in the GRIP study, which is part of the participant management system. The reason I have a separate file for personal data is that there are strict rules about how and where personal data may be stored. By splitting it from the rest of the participant management system, which does not contain any personal data, I could use and access the other files more easily. As you can see, I used an Excel sheet. In the GRIP study, we have multiple participants per family. The yellow columns include the family data. Then the blue, orange, and gray columns provide information on each of the participant types within the family: youth, the parents, and the case managers. Left out from the screenshot are the green columns, which are for mentors. What you also can't see in this picture is that for each participant type there are multiple sets of columns to allow the entry of multiple youth, parents, case managers, and mentors per family into this system. I used different colors of text to show the participant status. I used red for dropouts and orange for non-response. I also used Excel for the study and assessment data. As you can see, I used the same colors for the columns and the text as in the file with the personal data. Research assistants and students added and updated information into the sheet every time they had contact with the participant. For example, when they made an appointment or administered a questionnaire. I added some columns about the recruitment phase into the participant management system because this information is relevant to know what type of contact should be initiated and whether the participant gave consent for us to contact their family members. So there is some overlap with the response registration. The columns next to it provide information about the first measurement occasion for youth. It includes information about the assessment date, how the questionnaire is administered, on paper or online, what the status is, and a space for remarks. Later, I also added a space for who the researcher was who administered the questionnaire. There are 3 more sets of these columns for measurements occasions 2, 3, and 4. Similar columns are also present for parents, case managers, and mentors. This is another tab from the same document, and it is an overview that is automatically updated based on the information that is provided in the previous tab. It tells me the number of participants and the number of administered questionnaires per participant type. Again, I use the same colors to differentiate between family, youth, parents, case manager, and mentor information. Now I've shown you the participant management system in Excel that I used for the GRIP study. Using Excel for participant management has pros and cons. What I like about Excel is that it is very flexible, has many options, especially if you familiarize yourself with the formulas that Excel offers. Another pro is that most people are already used to using Excel, and it is therefore quite easy. Finally, it is free of charge. However, Excel also has some cons. It isn't very suitable for complex participant management system. There's just too much information in there to be displayed clearly. Also, it can be very time consuming to fit the needs of your project. And finally, due to its flexibility, I encountered that it was quite sensitive to errors. Because of these disadvantages, I eventually decided to switch to another participant management system using a tool called Slim. There's another clip in which I show a demo version of this tool.